Have you ever wished your legs could feel lighter, stronger, and more beautiful in just a matter of days without expensive treatments, complicated exercises, or harmful chemicals? What if I told you there's a simple oil, sitting quietly in many homes around the world, that could transform the way your legs look and feel in as little as 1 week? Most people don't realize that the health of your legs is directly linked not only to how they look on the outside but also to the health of the blood vessels, muscles, and even the nerves inside. Over time, our legs carry the weight of our entire body. They work harder than any other part of us, moving us from place to place, supporting us when we stand, helping us balance when we walk. But what do we do in return? For many of us, we ignore them. We sit for too long, we stand for too long, we wear uncomfortable shoes, and we let the years of stress build up without any real care. That's why this simple remedy has been shocking so many people. Because when you apply the right natural oil in the right way, you are giving your legs exactly what they've been asking for silently all these years. You're feeding your skin with nutrients, you're improving circulation, you're reducing inflammation, you're hydrating deep layers of tissue that have been craving attention. And here's the best part. It doesn't take months or even weeks to start noticing changes. Many people who tried this oil treatment started reporting smoother skin, less discomfort, improved energy in their legs, and even a healthier glow, all within just 7 days. Imagine looking down at your legs after a week and realizing they feel lighter when you walk. They look healthier in the mirror. And maybe even that nagging discomfort or swelling you used to feel in the evenings is finally easing up. Now let's talk about what makes this so powerful. The oil we're talking about isn't a magic potion or some expensive brand name product. It's something rooted in nature, something used for centuries in different cultures to help with circulation, hydration, and skin health. Modern research is now starting to back up what ancient traditions have known for generations, that certain natural oils contain compounds that can deeply nourish the skin, help reduce inflammation, and even improve the way blood flows through your legs. When blood flows more freely, when swelling is reduced, when the skin is fed with the vitamins and fatty acids it needs, everything starts to look and feel better from the inside out. When you massage this oil gently onto your legs, you're not only applying a topical solution, you're actually activating a healing process. Massage helps stimulate lymphatic drainage, which reduces fluid buildup. It helps encourage better blood flow, which delivers oxygen and nutrients to tired tissues. And perhaps just as important, it gives you a moment to focus on your own body, to reconnect with the parts of yourself that are often taken for granted. Many of us don't realize how much tension we hold in our legs until we start massaging them. You might even feel little knots or areas of tightness you didn't notice before. Working those areas gently with the oil not only feels relaxing, but it can also help loosen up stiffness and encourage a healthier, more youthful function. Now you might be wondering, which oil works best? There are a few options, but one stands out for its incredible range of benefits: extra virgin olive oil. Yes, the same olive oil that many people use in their kitchens has been shown to have powerful skin and circulatory benefits. It's packed with antioxidants, vitamin E, and healthy fats that not only moisturize the skin but can also help reduce inflammation underneath it. When used in a gentle massage on the legs, it can help calm irritated skin, soften rough areas, and encourage a healthier glow. Some people even mix it with a few drops of essential oils like lavender or peppermint to add soothing or cooling effects. But even on its own, pure olive oil is a powerhouse for skin health. Another remarkable oil is mustard oil, traditionally used in South Asia for massage. Mustard oil has natural warming properties that help stimulate circulation. When massaged onto the legs, it can generate a gentle heat that encourages blood flow, relieves minor aches, and leaves the legs feeling fresh and rejuvenated. Similarly, coconut oil, widely available and incredibly gentle, is excellent for moisturizing and protecting the skin. It's especially helpful for people who experience dryness or irritation on their legs. Its medium-chain fatty acids also have mild antimicrobial properties, which means it helps keep the skin clean and protected while it hydrates. But here's the real secret. It's not just about what oil you use, it's about how you use it. The technique matters. Start with clean, dry legs. Warm a small amount of the oil between your palms, then begin applying it with gentle upward strokes, always moving in the direction of the heart. This upward motion helps support natural blood and lymphatic flow. Use slow, circular motions around the calves, paying special attention to any areas that feel tense, tired, or slightly swollen. If you have varicose veins or spider veins, be gentle. Avoid deep pressure directly on the veins, and instead focus on the surrounding areas to encourage healthy circulation without putting stress on delicate vessels. For best results, do this twice a day, once in the morning and once before bed. Morning massage helps wake up the legs, improve circulation after sleep, and prepare them for the day's activity. Evening massage helps release the tension and fluid buildup from standing or sitting during the day, giving your legs a chance to recover overnight. Pair this with simple leg elevation for 10 to 15 minutes at night. Just lie down and prop your legs up on a pillow so they're slightly above your heart. This simple step helps your body drain excess fluid and reduces strain on your veins, amplifying the benefits of the oil massage. Over the next few days, you may start to notice subtle changes. Perhaps your legs feel a little lighter when you get out of bed, or you find yourself rubbing your calves less during the day because they're less achy. By day 7, many people report seeing visible improvements. Smoother skin texture, less puffiness around the ankles, even a brighter tone that makes their legs look healthier overall. If you continue beyond a week, these benefits can compound, leading to longer-term improvements not just in how your legs look, but in how they feel and function every single day. But what makes this practice even more powerful is how it interacts with the deeper layers of your body. You see, the human legs are a complex network of muscles, veins, arteries, nerves, and connective tissues. They're not just supports that hold up your body weight. They're active, living systems that constantly respond to your habits, your diet, your posture, and your circulation. When you apply oil with a gentle massage, you're not just softening the surface of your skin. You're sending a signal to the tissues beneath, telling them it's time to relax, time to recover, time to heal. The warmth from your hands combined with the nutrients from the oil create a microenvironment that encourages better cellular activity. That's why many people who try this for the first time are shocked, because they're not expecting a simple massage to make such a big difference. But when you think about it, it makes sense. You're improving blood flow, you're reducing stagnant fluid, you're decreasing friction in the skin, and you're calming minor inflammation, all of which combine to create a healthier, stronger, more beautiful pair of legs. Another fascinating effect of consistent oil massage is its impact on nerve endings. Your legs are full of sensory receptors that constantly feed information to your brain. When you stimulate these nerves with a calm, consistent touch, you're helping them function better. Some people notice that their legs not only look better, they feel more alive, more responsive, more energetic, less fatigued. This is partly due to the way the nervous system reacts to touch. Gentle, rhythmic massage has been shown in research to lower stress hormones, improve mood, and even boost immune response. So while you may be doing this primarily to improve circulation or reduce swelling, you're also giving your entire nervous system a little gift. A quiet, soothing message that says, everything is okay, your body is safe, you can heal. Now let's talk a little more about the oils themselves, because not all oils are created equal. While olive, mustard, and coconut oil are excellent and widely available, there are some lesser-known oils that can produce truly impressive results, especially when combined. For example, sesame oil, used in traditional Ayurvedic practices for thousands of years, is deeply penetrating and warming. It's known for helping to strengthen tissues and joints, and when applied to the legs, it can help nourish both muscles and skin simultaneously. Castor oil, another ancient remedy, is thicker and slower to absorb, but it has unique properties that help reduce inflammation and may even assist in breaking down stubborn deposits beneath the skin. Some practitioners recommend mixing a small amount of castor oil with a lighter oil like olive or coconut to create a balanced massage blend, one that combines deep penetration with soothing glide. Essential oils can also be added carefully for targeted benefits. A few drops of peppermint essential oil can create a refreshing, cooling sensation that's perfect for tired, heavy legs at the end of the day. Lavender oil is calming and can help relax the muscles while promoting better sleep. Rosemary oil has a mild stimulating effect that can encourage circulation, making it an excellent choice for morning massages. Always remember to dilute essential oils properly, as they are very concentrated. A good rule of thumb is just a few drops of essential oil for every tablespoon of carrier oil. One of the most overlooked aspects of leg health, and where oil massage can really help, is the lymphatic system. Unlike your cardiovascular system, which has a pump, your heart, the lymphatic system relies on movement, muscle contractions, and external pressure to move fluid through the body. When lymphatic flow becomes sluggish, you may experience swelling, puffiness, or a general feeling of heaviness in the legs. By using gentle upward strokes during oil massage, you're essentially helping your lymphatic system drain excess fluid and toxins, relieving pressure, and allowing your tissues to recover. Over time, this can make your legs feel lighter, healthier, and more energized. But let's address a question many people have. Is this safe for everyone? Generally, natural oil massage is safe for most people, but there are some exceptions. If you have open wounds, severe infections, deep vein thrombosis, or certain circulatory disorders, you should consult with a healthcare professional before beginning any kind of massage. Similarly, if you have very fragile veins or advanced varicose veins, you'll want to use only the gentlest touch, avoiding direct pressure on affected veins. That said, for the majority of people, this practice is not only safe, it's profoundly beneficial, especially for those who spend long hours sitting or standing, seniors looking to improve circulation, or anyone experiencing minor leg discomfort, swelling, or dryness. Another beautiful effect of this practice is its ability to reconnect you with your own body. In modern life, we often live from the neck up, thinking, planning, worrying, while ignoring what's happening below. Taking just 10 to 15 minutes twice a day to focus on your legs can bring you back into your body. It's a reminder that these limbs carry you through every single day, and they deserve your attention, your gratitude, and your care. Many people find that after a few days of consistent oil massage, not only are their legs looking and feeling better, but their mood has improved as well. There's something deeply satisfying about taking care of yourself in such a simple, natural way. To maximize the benefits of this 7-day transformation, pair your oil massage with a few easy lifestyle adjustments. Drink plenty of water. Hydration is key for healthy skin and healthy circulation. Try to move your legs regularly throughout the day, even if it's just standing up, stretching, or walking around for a few minutes every hour. Avoid sitting with your legs crossed for long periods, as this can restrict blood flow. If you can, incorporate simple leg exercises like calf raises or gentle ankle rotations to keep the blood moving. Elevating your legs for 10 to 15 minutes in the evening, as mentioned earlier, is another small but powerful habit that amplifies the effects of massage. And here's a little bonus tip that many people overlook: temperature therapy. After your evening oil massage, consider placing a warm, damp towel over your legs for a few minutes. The gentle heat helps the oil penetrate deeper and relaxes the muscles even further. Alternatively, for those dealing with swelling, a cool compress before massage can help calm inflammation and prepare the tissues for better circulation. Always listen to your body. If something feels too hot or too cold, adjust accordingly. As the days pass, you'll start to notice not just surface-level changes, but deeper ones. Perhaps you'll find that your legs recover faster after a long day. Maybe you'll notice that you can walk or stand longer without discomfort. For some, even chronic dry patches or mild discoloration start to fade as the skin receives steady nourishment. And while this 7-day period can deliver impressive initial results, the real magic is what happens if you keep going. Just like exercise or a healthy diet, consistent care creates compounding benefits. Each day of massage builds on the last, slowly encouraging better circulation, stronger tissues, and healthier, more vibrant skin. Think of it like watering a plant. One watering makes a difference. The plant perks up, the leaves get a little shine, the soil feels alive again. But consistent watering, consistent care, that's what transforms a fragile little plant into a thriving, beautiful one. Your legs are no different. They respond to attention. They respond to nourishment. And the beauty of this practice is that it's easy, affordable, natural, and can be done in the privacy and comfort of your own home. You don't need a spa, you don't need expensive creams, and you don't need complicated techniques. All you need is a good quality oil, a few minutes of your time, and a willingness to care for yourself in a way that many of us have forgotten how to. When we think of transformation, we often imagine dramatic, expensive, or complicated processes. But often, the most powerful changes come from the simplest actions done consistently. Applying oil to your legs may sound almost too simple, too old-fashioned to be effective. But that's the beauty of it. Taps into natural processes your body already understands. It doesn't fight your body. It works with it. Supports your skin, your circulation, your muscles, and even your mind. And in just 7 days, it can remind you what it feels like to truly take care of yourself from the ground up, literally.